In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize text using ChatGPT. Summarizing text is a valuable skill, whether you're a student trying to condense study material or a professional streamlining information for a project. With ChatGPT, this task becomes incredibly efficient and straightforward. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to turn lengthy text into concise, valuable summaries. To start, navigate to Google by opening your preferred web browser. It's the quickest way to access the resources we need. Once you're on the Google homepage, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar. This is the tool we'll be using to generate our summaries. Hit the search button or press enter, and a list of search results will appear. Look through these results and click on the link for the ChatGPT website. This should take you directly to their platform. Now that you're on the ChatGPT web interface, you'll see a prompt box where you can enter text. Simply copy the text you'd like to summarize from your source document. This could be a report, an article, or any lengthy text. Once you have it copied, return to the ChatGPT website and paste the text into the prompt box. Make sure all the necessary parts of the text are included so that ChatGPT has enough context to generate an accurate summary. After you've pasted your text, the next step is to instruct ChatGPT on what you want to do. In this case, you'll want to include a prompt that clearly states your intention. Simply type, "Summarize the text" within the same input area. This gives ChatGPT the go-ahead to condense the material you're working with into a summary form. Remember, the clearer your instructions, the better the output will be, so make sure there are no ambiguities in your prompt. Once your text is ready and the instruction to summarize is in place, look towards the interface and find the Submit button. Clicking this will send your request to ChatGPT's processing engine. Now, all that's left is to wait for ChatGPT to work its magic. Within moments, you will see the summarized version of your text available on the screen. And there you have it. The summary process is complete. ChatGPT efficiently condenses your material while maintaining the core essence of the information. This tool is incredibly helpful for anyone needing quick, reliable summaries. So, next time you're facing a mountain of text, you can feel confident knowing that ChatGPT is at your service to distill that information down to its most digestible form. Happy summarizing, and thanks for watching.